Hey, chop. Make we go down in the reasoning. I know the chicken and the vegetable seasoning. Without the veggie you'd never ever feed on him. You eat it raw and it's a thing you never eat again. Cause them your chicken nowadays is not